Hey you guys, we are about to go eat some Mexican food, and I thought that I would take you guys with me. Today is Saturday, and we just been lounging around the house. I'm putting a little bit of tinted moisturizer on, nothing fancy. This Mexican food place is right down the road, so I'm putting as little of makeup on as possible. Have my sweatshirt on, my smiley face sweatshirt. Curl a little bit of lashes. And put a little lip on. A little bit of lip. This is Maybelline. What is this? This is Almond Rose. Maybelline Almond Rose. And I'm just going to put on a little bit of, this one is in the shade 105. Color Stay Pink. And this does stay for a long time. While you eat and everything, it will. I've got to do something to my hair. It's awful. I'm just going to wear a crazy ponytail. Golly. Yeah, it's time to do a little something to this hair. I don't know what, but something. All right, and we will put on a little bit of blush and mascara, and that's it. This will be the first time we've left the puppy by himself, so I hope he does okay. We have a puppy cam where we can watch him while we're gone, so he'll be fine. We're just going up the road and back. Not far at all. Okay, guys, that's all I'm doing. Let's put a little bit of mascara on. And that's all. And I'm going to come back and let me find a mascara. Hubby and I have just been binge watching movies today on this Saturday. Just a movie day. Playing with the puppy. Watching lots of movies. What are you guys doing today? Are y'all getting out, or how are you feeling? I know, Kathy, you mentioned that you've been dealing with a lot of pain. I'm so sorry about that. I totally understand how pain can take over. I hope you start feeling better soon. Don't beat yourself up. Take the days you need. Take the time you need. You know that it'll pass and it will get better. It'll get better. A little bit on the bottom lashes here. Y'all, this lighting makes my skin look better than it is, so don't let the lighting fool you. I do have pigmentation, wrinkles. You can see them. When the light's on, though, it doesn't look as bad. So, don't think that I have perfect skin, because I don't. Okay. This is all it's going to be. Just going to eat. Our puppy slept all night with us last night. All night long. I think I'm going to put on a headband because my hair is so crazy. Little scraggly hairs there. Okay, guys, that's... I know it looks absolutely crazy. Alright, put a little gloss on and let's go eat. This is just on the opposite side of that Superstay. It has a little bit of gloss. And this stays put so well. Okay, that's the face. This is the shirt I'm wearing. Hair's in a, just to keep it kind of in control. Let's go eat. Let's find a fragrance. Here's the suit. I have on sweatpants. This shirt. And let's find a fragrance. Let's wear our new fragrance from the hubby. This is the I Am Juicy Couture. I got this for Valentine's Day. Let's wear this. Smells so good. Especially if you like the smell of pear and fruity stuff. This smells a lot fruity. I'm going to slip my Crocs on. Who don't love Crocs? Alright, let's go. We're leaving the baby here by himself.
Up, 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 up.
Good boy. He's a good boy. You gonna be a good boy by yourself?
No, I'm gonna tear the house apart.
You be a good boy. Is everything safe where he can't get in anything? He's got water.
He freaking opened the scarves out of the package. But we'll shut your bedroom door in case he goes that way.
Okay. Wipe his booty tail.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Wipe his bottom.
All
Daddy
right.
gave you some. Did you give him? Okay.
Yeah, there's still some in this ball. He's just too lazy to get them.
Oh. You better
Okay.
get in your ball. What is that right there?
Here's part of them.
Okay.
Look, here's more right here.
You just gotta work them out, mister. We got the camera where you can see them.
Bye-bye.
All right. This is the first. You be a good boy, okay?
We're not gonna
We
be
can't
gone
take
long.
you, baby.
No.
He's gonna be so sad. Don't look. Ooh, it's so pretty out here today. It's pretty today. Hang on. Daddy's worried about the baby.
I'm looking at him.
This is
Am I
our,
missing something?
it's busy. It's Saturday though. This is
All the
where our
flags.
favorite place to eat is in Emory. And it's Mexican food and it's called El Mannas. Yeah.
Yeah. What's up with the flags? Am I missing something?
Oh. Yeah, what's going on? What's going on with the flags today?
So,
That's true. El Mannas, Mexican food. Let's go, let's go. Emory, Texas. President's Day? Oh. We don't look at the calendar much. Go get that door for her. Thank you so much. Thank you, baby. Where y'all want to sit at? A booth?
No.
Aye. 3, please.
You want to do a table or a booth?
Booth, please. See what the specials are.
combo,
Ooh. Ribeye combo. Ribeye combo.
both come with fried cheesecake.
Ooh, that'll be good. Hey, Tony. Is this the side he likes sitting on? I think it is. Mannas. Tex-Mex restaurant. Let me see what I'm gonna have today. You already know what you want? Dang, you never are that quick. You're usually the one that. What should I have? Wait.
Fried cheesecake. I don't know what it is, man. Get it.
It's the ribeye steak.
It's ribeye fajitas.
Ooh, Colt, you'd like that.
He don't eat. Remember? He don't eat. He's looking for a bagel with peanut butter on it.
No, he eats Mexican food. Let's see, tacos al carbon.
If you show up, you're home.
What do I have? Let's see. Was he? Oh, okay, so those are Monday through Friday. What am I gonna have today?
You like those?
What are they?
The guacamole enchiladas.
Oh yeah, those are good.
Or chicken fajita. And get the tomatillo sauce. Oh no, the cilantro sauce. Not the tomatillo.
I'm in the mood for chicken enchiladas. Where are they at?
Chicken enchiladas.
Where's the enchiladas? Right there. Chicken enchiladas. With.
Cream sauce, black it. I promise you.
But I like that better than just regular chicken enchiladas. All right. Are you ready? The trace enchiladas, yeah.
So those have 3 different kind of sauces: ranchero, tomatillo, and sour cream sauce.
That's right. I will sure try it. This is good. We haven't put it down.
Enchilada back, right?
Oh, the ribeye fajita. Oh, you want to cook? Medium rare. No, medium well.
That'll be good.
Flour tortilla be fine.
There's my Dr. Pepper. Watching the puppy cam of the baby. This is the first time we've left him. Turn it sideways so you can see.
Stitch. Where's Daddy's boy? Daddy's boy. That's what that was.
What? Oh, you got a rock?
So he can come back.
So he's probably found a way over.
Yeah,
the
he's
gate.
been in our bedroom.
Oh yeah.
So I told you to shut our door.
I'm glad you told me to shut the door.
Because he's a crazy dog.
Yeah, can I have it on Cinemax? There's the baby boy. Oh, missing his mom, his dad, and Colt.
Don't get under the blanket. It's on.
Yeah, I don't know why you don't root underneath it. He's always cold.
She said that back. I was
Where's Daddy's boy?
This is a joke. Laugh.
Daddy, don't do that. That's so sad. Yummy.
It's hot.
I bet it is hot. It looks really good. So this is like 3 different ones. That looks good. It looks good. Colton, what'd you get? The avocado and chicken?
Your tortillas, flour, right?
Yes, please.
Look at Hubby's. Yours looks really good.
No, that's the beef.
Yeah.
There's the chicken and that's cheese.
Beef and cheese. I'll take a little bit if you're not going to eat it. Just right there. And so what'd you get, Colt? Just cheese and chicken on top?
And
Chicken on top. I got 3 mixed enchiladas. I'm gonna taste
That's what I got last time.
I'm gonna taste the beef first. If it's not too hot. That is good. The beef is real good. Yep.
Thanks, John.
Hot. Some rice. Do it this way so we see better. Do you like the rice, Colt?
I'm not really big on rice.
No. I'm gonna taste the cheese one. This is the cheese one. Great.
Watch this the whole time at Roadhouse.
What? You like the rice plate? I like the rice.
All kinds up there. All kinds.
You gonna get what you always
Some
get?
people don't.
They really like to see the food too. Because you're weirdos.
You don't want to smell my perfume.
They probably would.
We need to get it.
Do some onions.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna have chicken again.
What happened to Lulu here?
I just gotta get it close to back. It's very tender
It wasn't thick.
or anything.
But all that stuff is really expensive. Where it come from, why it's so cheap, I can't.
Where did it come from? Where did it go?
Cotton eye. Chicken enchilada with an onion.
Here's medium.
What? Yeah.
What's the special?
What he give me was 260 something. And just right now,
Chicken.
that is all jumped up.
Sour cream on it.
Put some guacamole.
Oh, you got an onion I can have though?
Sure do.
One. Two right there and all. Ooh, that's a lot of onion. What is that one? Onion, chicken, and sour cream.
I think it's good for you. Good for your heart.
It was very good. Repeat.
It was very, very good. I think Tony wants a break.
Tony, there he is. Cheese,
What about
fried
cheesecake, man?
cheesecake.
He's like, I'm trying to eat my food.
Oh, was he trying to? He was.
He's like, I'm trying to take a break to eat my food.
But he's like, I'm starving, dude. Give me a break. Huh?
How do you think the cup was? The one that's
Probably
tall.
80s. 80s. Do you think?
At least. A couple of them, I was made 80 years.
What is it?
It's fried cheesecake.
Fried cheesecake? I just want one bite. Fried cheesecake. Go, you can get up.
Here, let me hold this.
You dip it in there?
Powerful. Powerful.
What's inside?
Cheesecake.
Oh. Hot. Really hot. Mmm. Good, yeah.
It's good, Joe.
Hot. Hot.
I'm good with
Fried
it. Just warmed it up or something.
Good. It's good, good. Tell me what you think. That's so good. That's so good.
Hey, sir.
I'll see you later, man. I'll be
All right, thanks. Do you like it? That's good.
You know this is how horror movies start, right?
How?
You start recording,
Yeah.
and then like 5 days from now, that's when they're gonna find the phone with the recording and what happened to us.
Uh-oh. Good. That's good, ain't it? If we had ice cream.
Oh yeah.
It'd be better if it was chocolate.
Yeah, probably.
Look, Cole's just eating the inside out.
That's the cheesecake. Cole, that's the bread. You usually like sugar bread. Eat the bread. There you go. There's a good bite. Get away from my cheesecake. I just wanted a bite.
What's that egg?
It's not. It does kind of look like scrambled eggs. Big bite for the camera. For the vlog. Is it good? It is good. Was it good, Cole?
Chocolate.
It's good. I'm gonna tie this in a knot with my tongue.
Or there's no time. Easier.
What am I doing wrong? Okay, what do y'all rate the food? How was your plate, Colt? 0?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Okay.
How was your fajitas, Blake?
15 out of 10.
15 out of 10? Mine was a good 8 out of 10. I just wasn't really hungry.
Okay, but that don't mean it wasn't good.
That's true, but it still wasn't an 8 out of 10.
What did you not like about it?
I mean, it was an 8 out of a 10.
Because you weren't hungry or because it was nasty?
No, because it wasn't perfect. It wasn't my favorite thing.
Oh, okay.
8 out of 10 is a good
Okay, I
score.
don't care if it's your favorite.
Yeah.
Was it edible?
Yes,
Did
it was
have
good.
Taste?
It had good taste.
Would you
It
eat
was
it
good.
again?
No, probably not. I take that back. Yes, I would. But I would choose chicken enchilada over that than just the beef and the... Yeah, most of the time they're too thinking that... I mean, how can you not look at this big
Just like
earth
Isaac's
spinning and
face
not
eating
know
that
there's
food.
a greater being? Like the scientist said.
I go to church every Sunday and I work for the church, but I don't believe
He
God
said, has
no more.
anything in your life or any life you've ever seen, something just happened out of absolute nothing?
Yeah. The dog farts.
No, you know that Colin's in there
That
doing
smell
that.
come out of pure nothing.
Mhm.
Birds are working right there. Look how down in.
There's Lake Fork.
Fork. You're gonna fork it.
This sucker is so huge. Big lake.
You got it that time.
I did get Buc-ee's. I usually call it Busey's.
Okay, but you know now it's a beaver, so it's
What did I do? I was like,
Yeah,
you
look, it's
wanna-
Boosie's.
I've got it now because I see the beaver and the buck teeth. Buc-ee's. Look close to the fence. Roll down your window. So it's an electric. I mean,
Watch her. Watch her.
oh, how
Look at her.
pretty.
Here she goes.
Hi, sugar.
Look at her.
Hi.
Get to it, but no,
So it's just an unseen fence, basically.
Invisible fence.
That's crazy. We live here in East Texas, and here's our woods.
Hollywood.
Here's the piney woods.
Y'all can't see it.
Where's the baby? Let's go see the baby. He's gonna be so wound up. Yeah. Better might as well get him out. Stitchy boy. Hi. Hi, sugar. What's it doing? Hi. Hi. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes, you
You
are.
come see Stitch, huh? You come see Stitch.
Did you come to see the baby? The baby's getting so big. He's growing so fast. He just... Hi. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Oh, look at him. Let me
Molly,
see,
come
Daddy. Let me
Molly,
see.
Molly.
Come here, Molly. Oh, he's so excited. Look at him. Oh, it's so
Go.
sweet. Yay!
Oh, look at him run high.
He says, this is so much fun. Oh, oh, dude, my daddy. This one is a daddy's boy. Oh my goodness.
That's the first time I've ever been left home by myself. I probably tore the whole house up.
Yeah, we went to eat and left him home. Sugar. Oh, Molly
cold.
getting love.
Gonna be running around.
They're so cute.
Okay.
They're so pretty. Yes, bear. Hang on, scoot back. You scoot back, baby. Hi. Come here. Look at him. Come here. See your mama. Come here. Hi, sugar. Hi. Did you go and let Colton have it? Huh? There's your daddy. Did you poop in Colton's room? Get your daddy. Get your daddy. Oh, daddy's telling you
Just you know
about it.
he's bad. I'm gonna
Oh,
get
yeah.
that dog.
Wasn't he
and
bad?
run.
Did he come right back to you? He's overstimulated, Daddy. Oh, what is it? What happened? Where you been?
He's been to our room because he's got the.
Oh, he sure has. What he been doing? So,
Oh, we were gone.
You're so sad. Let me bite you, Colt, to take my frustrations out. Little stinker. Hi, sugar. Huh? Go back to play. Hi, sugar. What is it?
Thank you guys for going to eat with us. We are back home with the baby. Thank you for being here, and I hope you guys will subscribe. And we love you so much. The boys are about to play Call of Duty, and I'm going to relax. I think I may still have a UTI, so I'm still not feeling the best. But I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.